Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to connect Insightly to Gmail? This tutorial will walk you throughout the steps to synchronize your emails and contacts between Insightly and Gmail, ensuring seamless communication. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first guys, go ahead and open insightly.com. Right after that, go to login and make sure to log into your account. There we go. Now, after you do so, you will have to go through a couple of steps. The first step is basically if you didn't have your number connected, you have to connect it eventually. Let me just delete this real quick because I will skip it. I don't need to add it. And here go to system settings. After going to system settings, go to integrations and go to integration list. And normally there will be here a button, view all integrations, right click on it. So here you will find a page where you can find all the apps that you can connect Insightly to. In one of them, it will be Gmail. Click on the icon and here you will find a full article about it that explains it all. So let's read it and understand how we can maintain this connection, and at the same time understand why this connection can help us in our work. So let's go ahead. Are you looking for a CRM for Gmail? Insightly integrates with the tools you are already using, so you can stay focused on your business, not your technology. 90% of your customer communication takes place in your email inbox. Now we can extract valuable customer information buried deep within your Gmail inbox and leverage it for contact management and lead management tasks. Our Insightly Sidebar Chrome browser extension gives you easy access to your Insightly CRM account while you are viewing your Gmail inbox. So let's go ahead and use it. Download Gmail Sidebar, which is an extension. Let's go ahead and install it, and there we go. Now we simply have to log into our account, continue, and give it a couple of access, such as see and download your contacts, manage draft and send emails when you interact with the add-on, view your email messages with the add-on on its running, run as a Gmail add-on, connect to an external service. Let's go ahead and allow it. After we've done that, what next to do is to actually activate the thing. So let's go ahead and activate it. It will be here normally. So let's just wait for to be added. Let me just let's search for it in here. It should be in Insightly normally. So let's refresh the page, and as I said, this is a Google Workspace Marketplace, so it's not really an extension as an extension, but it should be basically shown to you. Now here we will find it. So here it is. Now I am on my Gmail and there it is. So now I can find here Insightly. So here we go. Now get started by opening an email or conversation. Let me just open, for example, this Reddit form. As you can see, now after I opened it, I can log into my Insightly account just like that. Continue with Google. There we go. Log in with Google Apps, and now we simply have to wait a couple of seconds, and there we go. So now I have been connected to my accounts successfully. So what do we need to do next? It's basically, let me just remove this as well. There we go. Here I am. And normally after you connect your account, this sidebar should be removed and everything should be good to go. As you can see here, we have all my contacts. I can create a new task. I can go to the home page. I can go to contact. I can go to organization, and I can check emails right through here. I can even create a new email and send a new email if I wanted to. So now you can even try it for free in case you didn't know about that. So I can now do this, continue, and let me just wait a couple of seconds. No email account is set up. Please proceed to one. Let me just remove this real quick. The thing is, I don't have like a number connected into it, so they like require a number, but eventually guys, if you do have a number connected, everything should be working good. Now what are the actual benefits of integrating Insightly with Gmail? So, are you looking for CRM for Gmail? Now you can extract valuable customer information buried deep within your email inbox, levers or contract management, and lead management tasks using an Insightly integration. Now, what are the use cases? Well, basically you can add and view Gmail contacts, create new Insightly contacts or leads from inquiries you receive in your Gmail inbox, easily view Insightly CRM information for an email contact or lead by clicking the sidebar or Insightly icon and pointing your mouse cursor to the email contact. The contact name will appear in the title of the sidebar. Navigate throughout the other icons to view related records. Send and save to Insightly with the click of a button. Save messages from your inbox or send folders to Insightly from Gmail. Keep track to send customer emails by using clicking a send and save to Insightly icon button to send the message and save it to Insightly in one step. Finally, manage CRM for Gmail on the go. Their Android and iPhone compatible mobile CRM app makes it easy to access your contacts, tasks, and projects whether you are away from the office or in it. So this is how you can actually connect Gmail with Insightly. Now, this actual connection is made through an extension, but in case you are more interested in making an automation, then I will highly recommend you that you are either requesting a demo so you can have like a full connection between them two without an extension or an app from Gmail, or what you could do is to use Zapier. Now, Zapier is a third-party app that helps you to connect two apps without having the integration option between them two. For example, I have here apps and I can literally connect whatever I want. So let's search for example first for Insightly. I have it already connected, so I don't have to connect it again, but let me show you how you can connect it. You simply have to click on connect and then you have to search for the API key on your account. So here I have it. Let's go to your user select page, and this is your API key, as you can see right here. After you paste it, it's gonna be pretty simple right there. They are going to take you to this page where you are going to find your account connected. The next thing to do is to simply go ahead and test the connection and see if it's done successfully. Now, after you have done that, what you need to do next is to go ahead and connect the other app, which is in our case Gmail. You search for Gmail simply and click on Gmail and make sure that your account is added as well. Go create and make sure that you are creating a Zap. Then do the action that you wanted to be created. For example, whenever there is a new inbox, or basically you can write this, connect Gmail with Insightly, and here they will just give you suggestions about like what should be working. Here, oh, this is on like an old one. Let me just recreate it really quick. Zaps. Let's go ahead and create new Zap and create something new. Copy plot. Here we can close it, settings, clear chat, and you can write whatever you want here, and the AI will give you the trigger and the action. And then once you feel like the trigger and the action is correct, you simply have to click on publish right here and everything should be good to go. And that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. This is how you can connect Insightly with Gmail in different ways. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next tutorial.